Hello at welcome ulit sa kusina ni Mrs. O. Sana okay kayo lahat. It's been a while since nag-shoot kami. So, now is the beginning of November. So, let's start shooting. For today, very easy. We're not cooking at all. Kasi galing lang kami sa isang breakfast place ni asawa. And then, na-notice ko lang, when you order yogurt and fruits, parang lumalabas 400 to 500 pesos siya. When in fact, ginagawa namin siya everyday dito sa house. Not naman everyday, parang every other day. It's one of the breakfast staples na ginagawa namin. So, yun lang. Gusto ko lang i-demonstrate. It's very easy and it's just really plating. Fruits lang siya. Yogurt, I discovered this brand. It's a local brand. Actually, yung vanilla Greek yogurt niya, 30 pesos lang ata. But this is very reasonable, no? Compare mo sa ibang yogurt, na Greek yogurt. So, it's fairly thick. And why is it good to eat yogurt? Kasi of the probiotics. Hindi puro Yakult lang. So, very easy lang siya. So, we washed our fruits. I-mix lang natin. So, here lang. Para lang we can put the skin. I have some kiwis. This is just cornflakes basically. Kasi kunyari in case wala kayong granola. Pero alam ko maraming local brands na granola. This is actually a local brand. Plant-powered granola bites. So since it's bites, I'll just have to slice it and cut it up. You can also put some nuts and then some honey. No? So medyo, if it's yogurt, medyo maasim. So para mas palatable, we'll just add some honey. So this one, I'll just teach you how to slice it. Tapos kung makita nyo, of course, yung gusto mo lang kainin yung nasa loob, diba? So basically, that's how you peel it. Ayan. You try to be as close to the flesh para syempre, hindi sayang, you get more of the meat. In fact, you know, when we have breakfast, a lot of times, people say that kiwi has more vitamin C properties than oranges. Trivia. Ayan, so dito siya. I still have some little bit of skin, so I'm just taking it all out. Okay, there you go. I'll just cut it up. Very easy. I'll just cut it into cubes. Parang ano lang siya. You know, it's just another option for breakfast na hindi puro rice. Sometimes it's good to have fruits. Wow, laki ng apple ah. This one, I actually add the skin. Kasi it has a lot of fibers and it has a lot of nutrient properties, no? Nutritional value na good for us also. So, I'm adding the skin. Actually, even when we make salad, yung pepino, I actually add the skin also of the pepino kasi sayang. So, very easy. Forgot to This is, pears. Ingat rin tayo sa pears, hindi naman all the time matamis yung pears, di ba? Actually, masarap din to add bananas, lakatan. Sometimes I add papaya also. Kung ano lang yung fruits available and in season. Siyempre, kung may budget, okay yung may berries. Pero, and then, let me just add some dahon here. It also has properties that healthy. Inaano ko rin siya. Tapos this one, chia seeds. Optional. This is a mixture of chia seeds and flax seeds. So, they both have a lot of antioxidant properties, especially chia seeds. No? So, that's why sa breakfast, kunyari kahit sa salad, ina-add ko siya. Ina-add ko rin siya minsan sa mga meals namin. So here, kinukoat ko lang siya lahat with honey and it's pretty much coated na. Then, para lang, it's another option for yogurt. Kasi nga, imagine, if you buy this or you go to a restaurant, this is what you are paying for is about 420. Kanina umaga, 420. Nakita mo yun, di ba? Sa menu. Iniisip ko nga, o-orderin ko yun. Para sabi ko, kaso nagagawa ko naman yan sa bahay. Tapos imagine you're paying 420 pesos, di ba? So at least ito, sa bahay, you can choose for the fruits that you will put, di ba? Pero wala lang. I just really wanted to show, parang, you know, another option for us to eat. You can even do this the night before, di ba? You can add cornflakes also. If you want, you can just add cornflakes. Pwede rin, cashew nuts. Let me just cut it up. So you can use cashew nuts. Academia. Meron. Peanuts. Pili. Actually, pili is good. It has a lot of good properties. Let me just add some granola. Again, optional. Pero Wala lang, it's just another breakfast. Tapos if you have dried fruits, you can also add some dried fruits. I just need to crack it a little bit kasi laki. Diba? Okay. Diba? Ang ganda. It looks so attractive. It will not cost you 500 pesos or 420 pesos. Do this kasi this is like 38 pesos, 37. I didn't even use a whole apple. A whole apple, ganyan, would be probably 65 pesos. At the most, grocery price. Yung palengke, mas mura pa. Yung kiwi, hindi rin siya ganun expensive. And then divided by 2 pa lahat. So 65 divided by 2, mga 30. I only used 1/3. So 20 pesos na yun, divided by 2. So 10 pesos each to. 40, 40, 50, 50. Diba? So just do the calculation. Definitely, it's not gonna cost you to make a very healthy yogurt fruit bowl. Kasi nga, any fruits, papaya, bananas, you can feel free to do so. But it's just another option for breakfast. Ang tagal, no? Dami kong sinabi. Hindi naman ako nagluto. But anyway, here is our yogurt and fruit bowl from Kusina ni Mrs. O. I hope it will make it to your next breakfast staple. So, see you soon and I hope you enjoy this.
Sarap. Ano ginamit mo yogurt, sir?
Pascual.
Pascual?
Diba? It's very reasonable.
Yeah.
It's available pa in
Hindi
7-Eleven.
ako sa yogurt. Blueberry.
Mixed berry.
Sarap.
Shout out to Pascual Laba. In
Shout
case, Mia, in case gusto magpadala. Vanilla, saka mixed berry.